Hello and a very good morning to you children. How are you all doing? Hope you are keeping in good health and taking care of yourself. Let's move further with sentences, children. As I have explained to you what are sentences, there are a group of words that make sense. Sentences are just group of words that make sense. So, I'll give you some jumbled sentences to practice and I'll give you some examples right here. I'll give you many worksheets to practice at home, and this is how you will learn to frame them, put the words in proper order, and will rearrange the words and make sensible sentence. I'll give you just 3-word sentences. You have to arrange them in sensible sentences or meaningful sentences. In future, like as I've already told you, that in a sentence, first letter should be capital, and the last thing what you have to do is letter should be capital and you should put a full stop. Okay, so let's start off with the jumbled words and then we'll frame proper sentences with those words. Okay, so like the first is written: sky, blue, the, is. Yes, read it again. Please write it down in your notebooks and read it again with me. Or you can read right now, you can listen to me, you can write it down later, I'll give you time. Sky, blue, the, is. How will you write it? You read it 4 to 5 times and you'll be able. आप इसको read करेंगे, you will arrange the words in proper order. Okay? You have to rearrange. They are jumbled words. You have to arrange them into proper sentences. The sky, blue, the, is. You're not able to frame? Again read it. Sky, S-K-Y, sky, blue, B-L-U-E, blue, the, is. So how will you write down? The, and as I've told you in sentences, the first letter should be capital. क्या होगा first letter? Capital बनाना है. The sky. So you'll write down, start with the sky is blue. Again speak. The sky is blue. Come to the next part. Need plants water. Need plants water. Again read it. I'll give you 3-word simple sentences. We will do plenty of practice of jumbled words so that you can frame good sentences. And children, I have asked you to just go through the first chapter of Communicate. I'll start with the chapter very soon. For sentences to practice further, I'll give you plenty of worksheets to practice at home. Please do the worksheets and do submit them so that you get into the habit of doing a lot of practice of the chapter sentences. Okay? Only jumbled words will be coming in sentences. You will not be asked to frame sentences. Okay? As you are small kids, only jumbled words. And so in jumbled words you have to read again and again. Only then you'll be able to form. Okay? 2 chapters will be there, alphabets and sentences, and only jumbled words will be coming, or you'll be asked to put a full stop and start with a capital letter in the sentences. Okay? Next, need, pla, P-L-A, pla, ants, plants, water, T-E-R-T. Need plants water. Is it making a sense? Need plants water. ये समझ में आ रहा है? Need चाहिए plants को water. But it is not in, words are not in order. We have done words in alphabets. So, we'll start again. What are we going to do? In order to frame it into a sentence, first thing we will put it into a capital letter. Plants need water. And then a full stop. Plant needs water. Plants need water. Okay? Plants need water. Please write down, then I'll tell you further. So these are wrong words. They are jumbled words. You have to frame sentences, meaningful or sensible sentences. Okay. The sky is blue. Need plants water. Plants need water. Okay. Plants need water. Write down, please. The sky is blue. Plants need water. Words are given, but they are not framing a sentence, a meaningful sentence. Okay? Water भी है, plants भी है, need. But it's not starting capital से start नहीं हो रहा. ये sentence नहीं है. आपको इसको proper sentence में बनाने के लिए first letter capital. Plants need water. Plants need water. For your information, children, I have shared some videos yesterday. For the clear and special sentence video I have shared for the clear explanation of the topic sentences. In that I have told you that to frame a sentence or to make a sentence, you need to know about nouns and pronouns. Nouns and pronouns are not coming for the time being in the first assessments. Only sentences will be coming. Jumbled sentences will be there. You have to frame them into meaningful or sensible sentences. Okay? So don't bother. I'll give you worksheets. Please do practice them daily. Okay? So that you're able to frame proper sentences from the jumbled ones. And to be expert in doing or in framing sensible sentences from jumbled, you have to read the words, jumbled words, again and again. Words my children know very well how to read. Need, plants, need, plants, water. Plants, first letter should be capital. Plants, what you have to remember, first should be, in order to make it into a sentence, plants need water. And again a full stop. So, two things you need to remember in sentences, only two things in sentences topic. That capital letter should be there and how to arrange the words in a meaningful sentence. Okay, I hope you've written. Let's see further sentences.